Where Teruna Classic coin reach 5,000 to 10,000%. Do you think it's possible? Please, if you're a Teruna Classic lover, you are new here, you don't know about Teruna Classic, the truth is this coin was trading at $119 before dropping to about 0.000. Right now, there is a plan to help people recover from this coin, and that plan is, at the time of recording this, the coin is trading with about 4 zeros, okay? Now, if you invest just $10 or let's say $20 or $50, whatever you know you can afford to lose on these coins. Now, the plan is, if this coin can reach 1 cent, believe me, $10 can give you up to $7,000 to $10,000. That's the plan. But if it is possible, that's what we are hoping for. Right now, Teruna Classic reaching 5,000 to 10,000% is what we want to talk about in today's video. Right now, Teruna Classic, based on their recent rise today, like as of today, Teruna Classic is actually doing well. That's the truth, it is doing well. Now, you see, I've not talked this, even for the past few days, I've not praised Teruna Classic like this, but today I want to praise them because I'm surprised. But I still believe that, yes, in the long run, and definitely, it's not going to happen now. I don't see it happening this year, next year. I don't see it happening anytime from now. So that is why, even if you want to buy this kind of coin, you need to buy what you know you can afford to lose. That is why you need to invest. Then forget about it. But let it be something that even if you wake up tomorrow, log into your let's say Binance wallet, or you log into your Coinbase wallet or Robinhood wallet, or you log into any other crypto exchange you use, then you discover that your Teruna Classic investment have really dropped off, or it's not the money, the value of what you have is nothing to talk about. You will just smile and move on. That means invest what you know you can afford to lose, so that whenever anything happens, just smile and move on. That is it. Smile and move on. That is why, instead of me investing something that I will not smile when I check the balance of my wallet, I would rather not invest such. Okay, so profit grows little by little, just like they normally say a parable that little by little I shall improve. That is how the word is. Please, in no matter what you are investing, be it on a roadside business, be it on side hustle, be it on business, whether you want to sell on Amazon, whether you want to sell on eBay, whether you're selling on the shops, just have it in mind. Invest money in any business that you know you can afford. Okay, that's how it should be. It's depends on how trust and how well you know and understand such business. That is one thing that is very, very important. You need to learn to understand. So for me, 5,000 to 10,000%, I don't think it's possible for now, but in a long time, it might be possible. Okay, so please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.